Thank you very much, Imtiaz Hussain, for giving me the opportunity. First of all, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Mohammad Sabir Hussain Rifat. My presentation topic is methods and proceeding of cleaning solutions for cleaning glass apparatus used in laboratory. So I took 5 cleaning solutions for that. First one is ammonium hydroxide, second one is potassium hydroxide, third one is sodium bicarbonate, fourth one is citric acid solution, and fifth one is phosphoric acid solution. So my first cleaning solution is ammonium hydroxide solution. So we all know the preparation of this cleaning solution are similar to each other. Like we have to take our cleaning solution and put it into the water so that it can dilute, so that we can use lower concentration. So this preparation is similar to all of these 5 cleaning solutions. So ammonium hydroxide, we use ammonium hydroxide to clean organic residue from glassware, which is commonly flask, beaker, burette, etc. It has its main advantage is to remove organic residue, and its disadvantage is it has a strong odor which can irritate our skin and eyes also. My second cleaning solution is phosphoric acid solution. It removes mineral deposits, which is mainly inorganic residue. Preparation is similar, and it has advantage which is removing inorganic residue, and disadvantage it is corrosive. My third cleaning solution is sodium bicarbonate. We all know it is mild alkali, so it can easily neutralize acid, so that it can easily remove light organic residue. So it has some disadvantage also, because as I said, it is a mild alkali, so it can't remove heavy contamination. So my fourth cleaning solution is potassium hydroxide, which is similar kind of ammonium hydroxide, but it has a distinguishable disadvantages, which is it's highly corrosive. If we left it onto our glassware for a long time, it can easily damage our glassware. My last solution is citric acid solution, which is basically to remove inorganic residue or mineral deposit from the glassware. Its advantage is that it's non-toxic, eco-friendly, and we can easily use and replace by other strong acid. And its disadvantage is that it requires proper handling. That's all for me. Thanks for having patience. Now I am giving the opportunity to Nasib Dipto for deliver his illustration. Thank you.